What's up, Philippines and hello world? Quick travel info lang, especially sa mga kababayan nating may balak pumunta ng Hong Kong. So ayun nga, here's the latest update for Filipino passport holders, both ordinary and official or diplomatic passport. Una, for those using an ordinary Philippine passport, good news. Visa-free tayo for up to 14 days sa Hong Kong. Ibig sabihin, no need na mag-apply ng visa beforehand. Basta may valid passport, return or onward ticket, proof of accommodation like hotel booking or invitation letter, at sapat na funds to support your stay, good to go ka na. Now for those using official or diplomatic passports, same din. Visa-free for 14 days din ang allowed stay. Just make sure na yung passport mo is valid pa for at least 1 month after ng planned stay mo. And syempre, dapat walang damage or issues sa documents. As of now, wala nang COVID-related travel restrictions sa Hong Kong, so no need for vax certs or tests. But syempre, double-check pa rin bago bumiyahe kasi nagbabago-bago yan minsan. So ayun, if you're planning a trip to Hong Kong, chill lang. No visa needed. Basta complete documents mo, you're all set. Hope this helps. And don't forget to like and subscribe or follow for more travel tips.